energy surge before death. That's we are going to talk about here in RCJ4TV. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe so I can always notify you every time I have new uploads. Thank you.
Okay, let's start!
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk a little bit something about energy surge of a human. So what is energy surge, or the deathbed phenomenon, or in the so-called terminal lucidity? It is an unexpected episode or occurrence of clarity and energy before death. Neurodegenerative conditions that lead to dementia, like Alzheimer's disease, cause irreversible mental decline that can be hard to watch in a loved one. This surge of energy is usually short, lasting anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, and may occur 1 to 2 days prior to death. This is unique to each person, and not everyone will experience such a noticeable burst of energy. Anyways, why does this phenomenon happen? The exact cause of these surges remains unknown. However, one theory suggests the brain releases neurotransmitters due to the body's diminishing state, or maybe our body and brain are preparing to permanent shutdown. Maybe it's happened because it is the way of our mind and body to use all the remaining energy until our last moment on this earth before we die. Surge of energy before death is like a motor engine that's suddenly off or surge. The last drop of gas or electricity in chamber or circuit will be empty. During that time, you may feel a short writhing of an engine right after turning off of the equipment or motor. Or like many smartphone, if the last % of battery the phone is giving a warning signs to turn on the save battery mode, or in red logo of battery appearing on upper corners of the screen to give a reminders to the user that his/her phone is about to shut down. Anyways mga ma'am at sir, ang surge of energy bago mamaalam ang isang tao dito sa mundo ay isa lamang sa hindi inaasahang mga pagkakataon na bumabalik ang dating tatag ng kaisipan ng isang taong may sakit. Nagiging masayahin sila, masigla at malinaw sa kanila ang lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. Ngunit gaya nga ng sinasabi natin kanina, ito ay hindi nagtatagal. Ito ay isa sa mga bagay na pwede nating maging palatandaan na ang isang pasyente ay malapit ng magpaalam dito sa mundo. Pero hindi ito palaging maaasahan, knowing the fact na hindi natin alam kung kailan ito mangyayari. Dahil wala naman eksaktong paliwanag tungkol sa kung bakit ito nangyayari sa ibang mga tao. Ngunit kagaya nga ng sinabi natin kanina, hindi ito nangyayari sa lahat ng mga tao. Kaya hindi din natin ito pwedeng maging isang matibay na basehan tungkol sa nalalapit na paglisan ng isang tao dito sa ibabaw ng lupa. At siguro ay hanggang dito na lang po muna natin tatapusin ang ating maiksing usapan tungkol sa energy surge before death. At maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nakapanood at mga nakinig. See you on the next episode. Goodbye. Kaibigan, nagustuhan mo ba ang topic na ito? Sana ay may natutunan ka ngayong araw. At kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, ay maraming salamat sa iyo. At kung gusto mo pa ng mga videos na kagaya nito, ay mag-follow, like, share at subscribe ka lang dito sa aking channel at page upang patuloy kitang ma-notify sa tuwing may mga bago akong uploads. So hanggang dito na lang mga kaibigan at mag-iingat kayo palagi. At maraming salamat ulit sa inyong lahat at God bless at hanggang sa muli.